welcome back to my channel. So today guys is Friday, yay! It's the last day of my work day. So I will be off on Monday as well. Ngayon guys, medyo walang pasok ngayon dito halos mga companies kasi after ng snow, alam mo naman, mahirap kasi nag-a-ice siya. So nadudula sa kalsada yung mga sasakyan. So right now, I'll be showing you the intersection na dito sa labas ng bahay namin kasi makikita mo talaga na nadudulas yung mga sasakyan, guys. So this is very dangerous. Ayan, tingnan mo. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo guys, yung snow natutunaw na siya kasi dahil sa meron ng sunlight. So since natutunaw siya guys, yung mga ice niya medyo delikado siya kasi nagiging madula sa daan. So, ayan, tingnan natin mamaya if merong dadaan na sasakyan ba. Kasi sobrang madulas talaga siya. Si Jan hindi nga pumasok sa work kasi dahil doon. Ayan. So, guys, yung tadhana ayaw talaga ipakita sa akin yung mga sasakyan na dumadaan kasi wala talagang dumaan. Yeah, it's normal na walang dumadaan kasi nga, sabi ko kanina, medyo mahirap ang daan. Medyo risky siya. Oh, meron pala. So, meron na palang dumaan ngayon pero hindi ko siya nakita kasi medyo mahina lang yung pagpatakbo niya ng sasakyan niya. Ano talaga siya ngayon guys, medyo mahirap siya. And then, good news pala guys. So yung old na dryer namin, 'di ba? Binenta namin siya sa Facebook Market. Ayun, meron na siyang kukuha, meron nang bibili. Nag-work pa naman talaga yun siya. Binenta lang namin ng $50 online. So, i-pick up na yan mamaya. Yan na. Yun lang yung update natin today. Hello guys! I made a video. It's because I just think about this. So, we are selling our dryer online and somebody will gonna come and pick it up. So, she messaged me in Spanish last night and then she said like direction por favor. So ngayon sinasabi niya dyan sa akin na alam ba niya mag-English? Sabi ko hindi ko nga alam kasi dati nag-message sa akin Spanish. So sabi ko sa kanya dyan, sabihin ko sa kanya, Senyora Aquata. Senyora Aquata, por favor. Hindi ko alam kung Aquata ba is Spanish. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano isabihin sa Spanish yung pick up. So, Aquata. Aquata kasi yan sa Ilonggo eh. Tawa si Jan sa akin. So, that's it. Bye. Look at them, guys. Look at them. Have you seen that, guys? They supposed to stop because there is a stop sign right there, but they can't stop because they are really sliding on that ice. So that's how dangerous the road right now here. Yeah, they're supposed to stop right there because that's a four-way intersection. Look at that. They really stop. Yeah, they really stop. Good job. Yeah, they are already trying to probably like press the brake even before they arrived on that intersection. That's a good job. But the truck just rolled, did not stop. So that's how the road looks like after the snow. It's very nasty. It's only good when it's snowing, but after the snow it looks like so nasty. It's dirty. Hello guys, so we're actually going out. We're going to test how's the road out there. And yeah, it's pretty sunny right now and everything around us is pretty nasty. And yeah, this is what you get after a pretty snow. So yeah, we'll look around and see what's going on out there. We're just gonna go to the store close by to buy beer, and yeah, we'll see you there.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's not bad anymore. Plus, there's already like,
It's really shade.
yeah, like the tires of the other cars that already clear the roads.
I wanna go back to you. Green texture in our walls, stay the shape I like. No, I'd rather run and let myself die. I'd rather think and drive than explain about last night. Learning how to feel when it's over. If it's turned out.
Hey guys, we're on our way home and we're only running like 25 miles per hour. It's because in this side where we're driving right now is the snowy part, because yeah, it's shaded. Yeah, the other part earlier is pretty much dry already. Oh, look at that car. It has snow still. A lot of people going out right now. Ooh, this the part. So this is the intersection
It's
that I'm
getting
showing you earlier.
close, out of our control. How can we make this happen?
Hello friends! So, dito na kami guys. Nakarating kami safe and sound. And nakita nyo naman guys yung road. Yeah, nagme-melt na yung snow. And then, ito din sa mga bahay-bahay dito, parang umuulan lang siya kasi may mga tulo-tulo. Dahil din sa mga ice na nagstay sa bubong. So yan, tumutulo siya kasi nagme-melt siya ngayon. And yeah, my husband bought me this. I did not expect it. We're only buying like beer sa convenience store, but binilhan niya ako. Every time na pumupunta dyan siya sa convenience store, binibilhan niya ako ng chocolate. Kaya ako tumataba guys, so now you know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. I just wanted to share this vlog to you, that this is gonna be how it looks like after the snow. I know all of us really enjoy the snow, but the day after that is really the one that's scary, and it's very difficult to drive, most especially here in Texas. Walang pasok dito pag merong ice kasi delikado siya, and people here are not used of having to drive in a snow. And sa work din namin, alam nyo guys, 3 deals lang yung binigay sa akin today kasi nag-close yung other branches namin sa ibang state. And that's why wala kami masyadong work. So anyways, yeah, it's already 5 o'clock. Of course, I'm already out from work. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's not really an interesting vlog, but yeah. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell. So see you on my next vlog. Always remember that you are loved. Bye.